Hello friends, so let us start with the new learning series on quality control, which will include internal quality control as well as external quality control. In this series, we will broadly divide it into two parts. The first part will cover internal quality control and which will be further subdivided into many subclauses. And the next part will include external quality assurance or external quality control, which will be divided into several subclauses depending upon the content. So we will begin with the internal quality control. So before that, I would like to introduce you to the word of quality. The ISO definition of quality have evolved over a number of years, with ISO 9002 defining quality as the degree to which a set of inherent characteristics fulfills the requirement. ISO defines a requirement as a need or an expectation that is stated, generally implied or obligatory, and a characteristics as a distinguishing feature. Now, coming to the quality management system, quality management is an organization-wide framework to coordinate management activities to ensure that the organization meet at all times the requirements of its customer or users. Quality management systems are structured framework for ensuring this consistency in the quality of products or services to meet the users or customers' needs. Quality management systems evolved from quality control and external quality assessment or proficiency testing activity, and they still play an important role within the overall quality management system. Now, when we say quality management system, it has principles which includes organization, personnel, equipment, purchasing and inventory, process control, information management, documents and records, occurrence management, assessment, process improvement, customer service, facility and safety. Now we are not going into the details of quality management system because in this series our focus is mainly on internal quality control and external quality controls. So we will start with quality assurance. How quality assurance differs from quality control. Quality assurance is aimed at ensuring quality of test results. The purpose of quality assurance is to give relevant, reliable, timely test results which are interpreted correctly. Quality assurance involves activities both inside and outside of the laboratory. Good laboratory practices, proper management skills, these are the basics of quality assurance. The WHO definition of quality assurance is a total process whereby the quality of lab reports can be guaranteed. It has been summarized as right result at the right time on the right specimen from the right patient with result and interpretation based on correct reference date and at the right place. Now, how this quality assurance differs from quality control. Quality control, on other hand, covers the part of quality assurance. It is a subset of quality assurance, whereas quality assurance is a subset of management system. So, in one way direction, we can see at the top there will be a quality management system, below that quality, whereas at the bottom quality control, which is a subset of quality assurance. Quality control deals with the part which are specifically related to the analytical performance of test and verification of test results. Quality control must be practical, achievable and affordable. The primary aim of quality control is to do the test reliably. The broad aim of quality control is that results from one lab should be comparable with that from any lab in the world, provided the same method is followed. Quality control can be implemented in two ways. As we know, it will be an internal quality control performed by individual labs at their own levels, and it forms the basis of day-to-day work, whereas the second parts include external or inter-laboratory quality control performed by many labs at the same time and monitored by one. It's a costly. So we will start with quality control or internal quality control. Quality control includes all the technical activities that measures the attributes and performance of a process item or service against defined standard to verify that they meet the stated requirement established by the customers. It also includes operational techniques and activities that are used to fulfill requirement of quality. Quality control in the medical laboratory is a statistical process used to monitor and evaluate the analytical process that produces patient results. Quality control results are used to validate whether the instrument is operating within predefined specifications, inferring that results are reliable. We will have several classes on internal quality control. Please stay with us to study and learn the internal quality control.